This is the thing. Oh my god, that was one day. Oh my god.
What does it taste like?
Backy back. Shut up, Matthew.
Potato
Why is it
mixture?
blurry?
Why'd you make it blurry?
I don't know.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am with Auntie Chandra.
Hi.
And we are, where are we going now?
We're going to pick up our malas and flowers.
So I came to New York last night. I came for her and Auntie Chitra's annual Navratri Puja. So I've never really done this type of vlogging thing where like I take you around in our day to day, but we're gonna do that today. We had to stop off at Dunkin' Donuts first, get our little fix. And yeah, I'll show you guys when we get to where we're going.
Hi guys. Video chat me.
I'm in the car.
Alright, don't video chat me then.
Auntie Chitra, say hi to the vlog.
What?
Say hi to
the vlog.
everybody. Say hi.
Hi.
So where are you headed to?
I'm just leaving H Mart. So I picked up
Exit the highway.
both coconut.
Okay, sit again.
What does it taste like?
Backy back. Shut up, Matthew.
Hello.
Yes, this pumpkin spice man must not be good, but I need my coffee right now. Yes. Matthew, put that away now.
So this is the place that we're going to. It's called Vivek Flowers, and they have like a whole bunch of like religious flower stuff and other items. So we'll show you guys inside. What is it?
Turmeric powder.
Oh.
You want to take today? No, take what? The stand, you want to stand? పెట్టేసి వెళ్ళిపోతాడు మాకు ఎవరు పూలు పెట్టిపోతారు కూడా అర్థం కాదు అట్లా వచ్చి పెట్టేసి వెళ్ళిపోయాడు ఆ తర్వాత నేను సర్ది చేస్తాను తెలీదు
You are bananas. Jeez. Alright, so we just got to the place and we picked up all of the malas that Auntie them ordered and any of the fresh flowers. What is that one?
Yeah, really.
Nice.
To make a mala.
So we'll show you guys like all of it when they come out of the package and they go on the Murtis at the temple. So we just got all of the flowers and all of that stuff that Auntie Chandra them ordered, and we're going to go to an Indian restaurant that Auntie Chandra really likes around here. We're actually in New Jersey right now, so we drove a little ways to get here, but yeah, we'll show you what we ordered when we get there.
Just having just samosas. You have to have set free.
Alright, so we're at the Indian restaurant, guys.
Favorite.
And Auntie them said these are really good, so.
You have veg masala grill sandwich? One is good for that.
One pani puri and one veg masala grill sandwich.
So we just ordered our food and we're going
Patel Brothers?
to go over to Patel Brothers, which is right next door to the Indian restaurant. This place in Jersey has like a very big Indian population, so there's a lot of different stores and stuff here. So I'll show you guys around Patel Brothers. This is the same, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, they have the pie.
Yeah. May buy some flat some meat. I don't even have
For any of you guys that don't know what Patel Brothers is, it's basically like an Indian grocery store. You could buy a whole bunch of fresh fruit and veggies and different religious items even. They have a lot of snack foods and they also have cooked food sometimes. But this is basically what the store looks like. They have a whole bunch of different veggies and stuff like that. This pumpkin looks amazing. Nice and orange.
how to pick a good papaya. I have no clue. But this one is all scuffed up, so let's not get that one. And this one's too hard. Maybe this nice little one. Nice and soft, a little spotty, but it's okay. We're gonna get this one.
They have a lot of different veggies here. This is a type of squash. Those are fresh dates that Auntie Chandra has in her hand. This is also called saijin. This comes from the moringa tree. We usually put this in like fish curries or things like that to make it have a nice little sour taste. They have a bunch of different types of eggplants. Green ones, they have the little mini ones. Bora, or my Trini folks might know this as Bodhi. Karaila, the big green squash. I'm telling you guys, if you go into a Patel Brothers, you'll be in like cooking heaven. They have literally everything. And all of their veggies are really nice and fresh and just a lot of stuff. And they also have like the regular stuff like milk and cookies, all that kind of stuff in the aisles that you could get to. They have,
you ever get beat with wild cane?
They have the fresh sugar cane here. They have katahar or shatain, like the Trini people know it as. And they have the sweet katahar.
Ooh, jackfruit.
Jackfruit.
A nice piece.
So a lot of people think that the katahar is jackfruit, but it's actually called bread nut. And this is the actual jackfruit.
Yummy.
You want to look for a nice yellow flesh on the inside, and then it's perfect for eating.
Smells good.
Yeah. Oh, and they have saijin bhaji. So they have these curry leaves in the pack, and they do look like curry leaves, but right under it they say neem leaves.
And it's not neem.
But they're not neem leaves.
It's curry leaves.
They got our hopes up. Look at all the little colorful hanging flowers and decorations that people use in their home temples or the big temples. So this is the place that we're grabbing the Indian food from. This is the place Auntie Chitra and Chandra had gone before.
I got my goods. Let's go. I can't wait to open it up.
So we're actually headed to Auntie Chitra's house right now. We are gonna go meet up with her, get some stuff settled for tomorrow, and dig into this food as well. So yeah, I'll see you guys over there.
Bye!
We're just gonna make sure that they gave us everything that we ordered. It's the pani puri stuff, the actual pani puri. Little sneak peek for you guys. I'm guessing I put everything in.
No, open that up. Let me see. Oh, that's a sandwich.
Oh yeah, this is the sandwich. Jeez.
That sandwich is delicious.
Oh, this is what he meant by in one pack.
Yeah.
Samosas.
No, and the savory.
So Auntie Chandra ran back in because they forgot something that we ordered. So we're gonna wait a little longer for that and head over to Auntie Chitra's so we can dig into all of this good food. And
So we were starving that day, right? And then we were like, so we were like, Tag, open it up. It smells so good. Let's try it. We had bought the sapuri and a sandwich. So So we didn't expect that the sandwich was gonna be like King Kong size sandwiches, but it was a King Kong size sandwich, and it was a veggie sandwich. So it was really tasty as well. But the Sev Puri, oh my gosh, we just put like, it was like about this big, and we were like, oh yeah, we have to pick it, but it was so much like the Sev that was falling apart on it, so we had to eat it all together. So we were so sorry. We literally swallowed the whole thing in our mouth, and we're eating, and I don't even think it was like 10 minutes into our ride, and it was gone. All 5 pieces were gone with less than 10 minutes between the Chitra and I. I was like, oh my god. Right. So then we were like, God, that was so good. Why didn't we get more? Because it was our first time at this restaurant. So we're like, okay, next time we know what to get. So we're trying to say, well, what ingredients were in that dish? Yeah, for the life of us, we couldn't come up with anything else, but it was damn good. I have to make sure.
She's got the goods. Oh wow. And Auntie Chitra them don't even know what this is called, but they said it's good.
Yeah, it's called Sev Puri. Stop it, Matthew.
The thing that we were eating?
Yeah.
I got the goods.
Oh my god, you were going to love it.
Alright guys, we gotta go so we can hurry up and get to Auntie Chitra's so we can eat.
Bon chai pan me.
Alright guys, so we made it to Auntie Chitra's house.
Hi,
and
Chitra. Hi.
we have all of the foods set up that we are going to dig into really soon. We have
Samosas. Pani puri.
that's the water for the pani puri.
Sev Puri. And this is a grilled masala sandwich. So, here we go. Look at it. Oh yes, this is the thing. Oh my god, that was one day. Oh my god. Come on, try it.
You guys have to try it at the same time.
No, ma'am.
Wait, you're not gonna eat it?
Shut up, Ginger. Not on the camera.
Oh jeez.
Eat it, Matthew. I'll hold you.
Let's see. What is it? Oh, like a chip?
It's a cracker at the bottom, and it's like a it's a mixture of potatoes and vegetables. Yummy. Sorry, I was talking with my mouth full. Yum, yum, yum. Try it with the water.
So we're gonna try the pani puri now. So you gotta dip it in the water.
I don't think it's water. It's like cilantro something. It's
It's like a
cilantro
sauce
water.
thing. It's something.
How is it, Matthew?
No, law.
How is it?
Okay, it's really good though. There's a lot of water. It's good stuff. Good stuff. Alright, so we're gonna try one of the samosas now. I'll take a little piece, and you see all that beautiful filling on the inside?
Lovely. Lovely.
We'll try it with this cilantro sauce. Super crunchy on the outside. Really good filling on the inside. So,
Oh, I have some tissue rolls inside the oven. Okay, let's go.
so this is the veggie sandwich. It has like a potato
Why
mixture.
is it blurry?
Why'd you make it blurry?
I don't know.
Where's the food? Oh, yeah, that's the focus little.
Okay.
Is it focus?
I don't know. Sure.
Anyway.
This has like the samosa mixture on the inside. It has some tomatoes and cucumbers and some sauce. We're gonna try it now. It's really good. All of the food was nice and spicy.
Yes. Small dishes, 2 small trays.
Okay, are we cut them still or leave it whole?
Yes, please cut the long tray in 3, and then the other.
Small tray in 2?
Yes.
Or you sure, or you want 1 and 3 or 1 and 2?
1 and 3 and 1 and 2. Perfect.
Okay, alright.
I'm so glad you know.
12, what do you want? What time you want to pick up?
I could pick it up at 12.
Okay, alright, perfect.
Alright?
Yes.
Thank you so very much. I'll see you tomorrow.
Yes.
Bye.
Okay. Alright. Yeah, bye.
We can take them.
No, really, move away. No.
What you want to do? Nothing dating. I never do nothing to you. And I know why you can't stand near people with this chopper. Hello. Hello, hello. Yeah. So, we got fresh marigolds. The lotus flowers. Can't wait to open them. They're going to be so pretty. This is for the Hanuman. This is for the Shiva. Isn't it pretty? I love this one. This one's for the Durga. Right? Right?
Who's the one with the gold?
So pretty. You want? These are for the pundits. I don't want to open it. They're for smells so good. Amazing.
So, never mind. I got it.
They're already strung or they're loose?
They're strong. Smell that.
Oh wow.
Isn't it so pungent?
Wow, they smell really good.
They do?
And Auntie Chandra's stringing some flowers for the mala for the big Durga Murti at the temple.
They're really flowers.
They're called Aurelie flowers. There's these little pink flowers. So you guys will get to see them up on the Murtis tomorrow. And these are all of the flowers that Auntie Chitra and Chandra prepared to use for the puja tomorrow. These are spider mums that they have in different colors. And a little tip, the night before the puja, it's nice to take all of your flowers off of the stems, put them in a foil tray like this, and cover them with a really damp paper towel.
I want some water at the bottom.
And a little bit of water at the bottom, like Auntie Chandra said. And they'll stay nice and bright and lush for the next morning. And they also have these red spider mums for their Hanuman puja as well. These look really nice.